Hey guys, how are you doing? So a lot of people are facing issues with accessing and connecting the Alexa which comes with the MSV GTS2 Mini Watch. So in this video I will be talking about how you can connect and activate Alexa in your MSV GTS2 Mini from scratch, and if you are facing any issues and what are the process to rectify them. So this will be a sick video guys. If you are a tech enthusiast, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification up, because I will be making more videos like this. So Alexa is an important part of this watch, and once you have updated the watch to the latest version, you will get the access of Alexa in this watch. So make sure you have updated the MSV GTS2 Mini to the latest version, and I will tell you what is the latest version which I am using here. So to check that, you need to go to the MSV GTS2 Mini device in the Zepp app, and you need to scroll down and you will get this option about this device. In the about this device you will get the version here which is 1.0.2.47. so this is the latest version of the MSV GTS2 Mini firmware which should be installed in a MSV GTS2 Mini. Also, if it is not updated, then click on the system update option to get the update done for your MSV GTS2 Mini. Once you have done that, it's very easy to activate Alexa, and if you are swiping left, then you will get this option which is authorize Alexa on the device page of the app if you have not activated the Alexa. So in this case, what you need to do is you need to go to the Zepp app, which is the official app of the MSV GTS2 Mini. Open the Zepp app, you need to connect the watch and then come to profile. In the profile you need to go to the watch and then you need to scroll down and you will get this option of Amazon Alexa under the app settings. Click on that and there you need to click on agree, and here you need to log into your Amazon account from the Zepp app. Once you click on that, just wait for some time. Before, as I have connected my Amazon Alexa to the MSV GTS2 Mini, it literally is taking my Amazon ID and password by its own. If it is not taking by its own, you need to do one thing. You need to authorize it by giving the correct ID and password here, and once you have authorized it, it will ask for an OTP. So the OTP will be going to the registered mobile number of the Amazon app, and from there you need to put the OTP in here and just authorize the Alexa app for the MSV GTS2 Mini. Once you have done that, you need to download the Amazon Alexa app also, and here also it will be better if you connect the same Amazon Alexa account which you have connected to the Zepp app and MSV GTS2 Mini. So put the same credential here and connect the Amazon Alexa on your phone. So as soon as I have given the same Alexa ID and password or Amazon ID and password, so it will ask my identity and it will ask me whether I am the same person who is trying to log into the Amazon Alexa account. Just click on that and give them some permission which it needs to access the Amazon Alexa, and once it is done, you can access the Alexa on your MSV GTS2 Mini. So if you swipe left, you can see that the Amazon is working now. So you can add a lot of things to the MSV GTS2 Mini and also perform a lot of actions from the Amazon Alexa. So if you are getting any issues in here, let me know in the comment section so that I can help with this. For me, the Amazon Alexa is working fine in this watch the day it is added to the watch, and I am facing no issues with the Amazon Alexa here. Yes, sometimes the network will not be there, so it will show some error messages and will not work properly. So in that case, you need to make sure that your phone has a proper network and it is accessing the network via your MSV GTS2 Mini. Also, it will be better for you to download the Amazon Alexa app, because certain things you need to access from the phone, not from the watch, like playing music, calling someone. These actions you cannot do from the Alexa of the Amazfit GTS 2 Mini. You need the Alexa app to perform these actions. So that's it guys. If you are facing any issues, let me know in the comment section. I will be there to help you guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and hit that bell notification icon, because I will be making more videos like this. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Thank you.